Okay friends, let's take another look at an amazing trick to clean and transform your data. It's very quick and very amazing technique. Let's say I have a list or maybe some range I want to refer it in another sheet, and how a normal person refer. Like this. There you got it. But the problem is I have some zeros or uncleaned data down there. How can I clean this? I'm just gonna add a dot to it and press enter. See, the zeros are gone. Now you got very clean and tidy data which is referring from another sheet. So this was the case when your data is starting from first row. Let's suppose my data is not starting from this row, it may be starting from this row. What will be the result? Let's see. The zeros are at the top. How can we clean it? Again, I'm going to use a dot after F and C. You got very clean data with a very small tweak added to it. Thank you.